Let's take up multiple choice questions based on general principles, processes, and isolation of elements. Semiconductors of very high purity are obtained by liquefaction, vapor phase refining, zone refining, electrolysis. Correct answer is zone refining. Next, according to Ellingen diagrams, the oxidation reaction of carbon to carbon monoxide may be used to reduce which one of the following at lowest temperature? Al2O3, Cu2O, FeO, ZNO. Correct answer is B part Cu2O. Which of the following reaction is an example of auto reduction? A part Fe3O4 plus 4CO gives 3Fe plus 4CO2. Second one, cuprous oxide with carbon to give copper and carbon monoxide. Third, cupric ion reacts with iron solid to form copper solid and ferrous ions. Fourth, Cu2O plus 2Cu2S gives you 6 copper plus 2 sulfur dioxide. D part is the correct answer. This is called auto-reduction or decimalization, in which cuprous sulfide acts as reducing agent and reduces cuprous oxide to blister copper. Next, copper matte is put in silica-lined converter to remove SiO2 present in converter as iron silicate, oxidize Cu2S to Cu2O, remove FeS, FeO and Cu2S, Cu2O to metallic copper. All of these. Correct answer is all these processes are taking place in Bessemer converter. Which method of purification is represented by the following equation? Titanium solid reacts with iodine gas at 523 Kelvin to form titanium tetraiodide, which decomposes to titanium solid and iodine gas is formed. Mond process, liquefaction, Van Ockel, zone refining. Correct answer is Van Ockel method or vapor phase refining. Bauxite ore of aluminium contains impurities which of the following? Fe2O3, SiO2, CuO and titanium dioxide. Correct answer is C part. CuO is not present in bauxite as an impurity. To obtain iron from its oxide, the method used is aluminothermic process, carbon monoxide reduction, electrolytic reduction, carbon reduction. Correct answer is carbon monoxide reaction, which takes place in the blast furnace. Aniline or cresol, when added in a froth flotation process, act as stabilizer, depressant, wetting agent. All of these. Correct answer is stabilizer. They stabilize the froth. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Complex formation and displacement of metal, silver and gold. It is correct. Hydrometallurgy, copper is correct. Hall-Héroult process, cadmium. No, it's not correct because this process is meant for aluminium. Carbon reduction for zinc is correct. So C part is the correct answer. It should match with aluminium. Vapor phase refining is used for purification of titanium because impurities are more soluble in molten state than in solid state of the metal. No. Low melting of titanium can be made to flow on the sloping furnace. No. Of the formation of volatile TiI4, which decomposes to extra pure titanium on heating at high temperature, is correct. None of these is not correct. C part is the correct answer. Next question, sodium cyanide is added as a depressant in froth flotation process when the ore contains mixture of ZnS and PbS. This is because lead cyanide gets precipitated without any effect on ZnS is not correct. Zinc sulfide forms soluble complex sodium tetracyanozincate while PbS forms froth is correct. PbS forms soluble complex while ZnS forms froth is wrong. Zinc cyanide gets precipitated without any effect of PbS is wrong. B part is the correct answer.